What? What the fuck is that look? You hate me now too, is that it? So you know you should be thanking me. Do you have any idea how fucking romantic this shit is? How many books and movies and shit are gonna be about you? She'll probably write a fucking book. You're lucky to be starting life with such a fancy tragedy. It's more than I had growing up. Trust me, you'll be able to do whatever the fuck you want in life. You really won't have to try for it. A little pity goes a long way. So, you're welcome. Stop fucking looking at me. We have been over this and over it and over it. I didn't fucking do anything. She's my fucking fiance. What can I have done that we haven't done 100 fucking times? You know her as well as I do. She fucking feeds off of attention. We both know that I didn't fucking do anything wrong, but no one gives a shit what I think. Everyone just wants someone new to hate, especially anyone even remotely fucking successful. Done talking about it. Stop fucking looking at me! What do you want? What else can you possibly take from me? You want a fucking apology? Is that it? I didn't... Dead man without a fucking note. Is that what you want? Is that what the fuck I deserve? Anyway. Doesn't much fucking matter now, does it?